Hi, if you're using Instagram to promote your business, but confused about what are hashtags and how to use them, this video is for you. I'm Andrea Stenberg, the baby boomer entrepreneur, and today I wanted to talk to you about sort of the basics of what are hashtags. So first of all, hashtags are when you see that number sign in front of a keyword or key phrase with no spaces, that's a hashtag. Hashtags started on Twitter, but they've pretty much spread to every social network. But I would argue that there's nowhere where they're more important than on Instagram. So why? Why do we need to use hashtags on our Instagram? First of all, hashtags are searchable. So if you pull up your phone and on Instagram, you click that little magnifying glass at the bottom of your screen, you can type in a hashtag and search and find posts that use that hashtag. For example, if you type in hashtag how to use hashtags, you're going to pull up a list of posts from Instagram that have that hashtag in the description. And you can actually look at the top posts, so the posts that have the most engagement, or you can look at the most recent posts. And this is how people find content that they're interested in. So if you're looking for information on how to use hashtags, if you're a Blue Jays fan and want to find out what people are saying about the Blue Jays, or whatever it is that you are interested in, you can search. And more importantly, your customers are using hashtags to search for content they're interested in. Second reason hashtags are important on Instagram is people can actually follow hashtags. So let's go back to that hashtag, how to use hashtags on Instagram. You could click that blue button that says follow and follow that hashtag. And then from time to time, Instagram is going to put posts that have that hashtag in your feed, even if you're not following that person. So let me say that again. If you are following a hashtag, Instagram will show you posts that have used that hashtag, even if you're not following the person who made the post. Now, I don't know about you, but that makes me really excited because we all know Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all the social networks have algorithms now, and organic reach is down. If you make a post on your Facebook page, not everybody who's liked your page is going to see that post. Never mind complete strangers who have never engaged with you at all. But on Instagram, if you are using hashtags appropriately and strategically, you have the potential of showing up on somebody's Instagram feed who's never seen you, who hasn't followed you, knows nothing about you, but because you used a hashtag they follow, they have the potential to discover you. And from time to time, they might, if it's a really great post and really great content, they may click through to your profile and may follow you. So hashtags really are a way for you to be discovered by a new audience. And so that's really exciting. So how do you use hashtags? Real basic. In your posts, in the feed, you can use up to 30 hashtags. In your IGTV videos, you can use up to 30 hashtags in the description. In your Instagram stories, you can use up to 11 hashtags in each story post. So there you have it. That's the basics of how to use hashtags on Instagram and why they are so important. So if you have any questions about hashtags and using hashtags on Instagram, do leave a comment, ask your question. I'll do my best to answer it. And of course, if we're not already connected on Instagram, do please follow me. I'm at Andrea Stenberg. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.